Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about why my recommended videos and views are low on YouTube. Watch and listen to the video until the end. The information I will convey will be conveyed with my own experience.
Use quality content and the right keywords.
Analyze your competitors who have achieved good statistics on YouTube. Study the keywords they are using and take keywords from your competitors that match your content.
Try to shoot long videos.
YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, and while 1.2-minute videos used to be more prominent, YouTube now gives more chances to videos of 8 minutes or more, and your video has a better chance of getting recommendations.
Pay attention to channel settings labels.
From the YouTube Studio, go to the settings. Then in the basic information, fill in the channel's public address field with the correct tags. Whichever audience your content appeals to, take care to enter the right keywords. Is this useful, you ask? Of course it is. If the title and content align with the overall keyword and category, your chances of being featured in recommended videos will increase.
Why are my new or old videos not being watched?
Golden information for new channel openers. Upload long videos and upload at least 4 videos a week between 2.4 months. For those with old channels, pay attention to the same content title as your competitors. A video shared before you can take months to enter the top 10.
Social media usage.
If you are a new channel, you should definitely use social media. You need to share your content in every field. Do not expect your channel to grow in 1.2 months. It may take time, but you need to be determined and patient. You can advertise. For example, you can promote. The contribution of this is that you have a branding channel that goes all the way to globalization.
How to use video cover art.
If your competitors are tough, you can use AI to create a beautiful visual and a short headline about your content with a text with effects to attract attention. Take care to use dark colors in the background.
To be stable and determined.
Don't change your channel name or your general search name often. I speak from experience. If you have an established content or your content is different, your channel name may be different. Continue in the same way. Subscribers don't look at the channel name. They look at the content and the quality of the video. Everything is looking at whether the keywords and content are SEO compatible. Friends.
The last golden ideas.
Depending on which region you live in, set certain video upload times according to the status of people who are online on YouTube. Follow competitors often. Look at their titles and keywords and make a note of them. Make sure to use emoji at the beginning or end of the title. Thank you guys for listening to me. I tried to transfer the information I learned to you. I hope it was useful.